Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we will be drawing the younger, taller, and somewhat less famous brother of Mario from the incredibly, epically successful Nintendo Super Mario Bros. Of course, I'm talking about Skip. No, I'm talking about Luigi. Anyway, all you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. And hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So let's draw Luigi. We're going to be drawing Luigi step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Luigi is just over 2 heads tall in this pose. In other words, however tall we draw his head and his hat, his entire body is about 2 of those, not counting his front foot. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Luigi. So there's our roadmap for Luigi. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Luigi's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to be able to draw them light enough to erase easily. So let's rough out Luigi's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Luigi. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Luigi. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving till the very end. So let's draw in the details for Super Mario Bros. Luigi. Alrighty, there he is, Luigi. Well, how'd you do? Understand, if you've never drawn Luigi before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Luigi during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Luigi. With that, you can draw him again and again. By all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Luigi. If you can, take a picture and post it to either Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.